brand new build,
walkability,
and right on the ocean. Would you buy it?
Welcome back to Track Us Down. If you're just finding us, I'm Monique.
And I'm Doug. Welcome back to a brand new Would You Buy It? We are so excited to show you this stunning apartment right on the Atlantic Ocean.
Madeira Acqua Residences are located on Estrada Monumental, one of the main streets here in Funchal in São Martinho. Now, we're really familiar with this build. We've been in this building when it was incomplete. We've walked around with hard hats on, and we saw the building go up from a shell to this beautiful, completed, finished project. We know several people who have moved into Aqua already, and some of the feedback that we get is that they love the location, they love the walkability, they can walk to groceries, they can walk to Forum Madeira, and of course they have access to the ocean.
This apartment is 1,300 square feet, give or take. It is right on the first line of the ocean, meaning there is nothing else but the beach below it. There's no roads, there's no traffic, there's no other buildings blocking it. All you have is this beautiful, expansive view of the sunny Atlantic Ocean.
It's actually surprisingly quiet. You can see the water and you can hear the breeze.
All the sounds are completely natural. The trees, the ocean, the breeze.
When you come in, you're greeted with a beautiful garden with palm trees and exotic tropical flowers, and then you enter the main building.
It is stunning. Beautiful white, high gloss, high-end appliances, and the most prime location. We can't wait to show you this. Wow, look at that view.
That's gorgeous.
Right when you walk in, the first thing you see.
I like the entryway actually a lot. This is a really good idea. That's a lot of additional storage. The unit here in the Aqua Residence is a T2, which is a 2-bedroom unit, 2-bathroom unit.
It has a south exposure facing directly out onto the ocean, lots of natural light, high ceilings. It is just somewhere that you can picture yourself living out the remainder of your years or renting it out if that's something that you're interested in doing. If you've been looking at Madeira property for a while, you'll know that the prices have been going up significantly over the past few years, and it doesn't look like that's going to stop. They may level out, and this place is no exception. Being in such a prime location with a view second to none, the prices continue to rise. A couple of years ago, you might have picked this place up for around 600,000 euros. Now you're looking at between 750 to 800,000 euros for 1,300 square feet right on the ocean. Some would say that's still a steal of a deal.
All right, let's start at the beginning and welcome to a beautiful T2 in Madeira Aqua. Okay, this might be one of my favorite parts of the kitchen. You have the island here attached to the kitchen and you could put some stools here, but what they've done very cleverly is made a lot of built-in storage here. That's very clever. So here we are in the kitchen. As you can see, it's bright and it's white, and you definitely get that brand new modern feeling. I love that the cupboards are all the self-closing cupboards. They close very nicely and gently. A nice big sink to work in, and enough counter space right here to prepare meals while looking at the ocean, which is great. It's furnished with Bosch appliances, a microwave and a built-in oven, and a hidden fridge and freezer. It's very nicely done. I like the way that the cupboards and the cabinets all go to the ceiling with none of that dust collecting at the top. Really nice use of space under the stovetop here with nice drawers for keeping all of your cutlery or anything that you need under here. Again, all that nice, easy self-close. And right off the main room, there's a utility area where you have your laundry and your hot water tank, and actually plenty of storage as well. It's so nice to have a laundry room right in your own unit. There's no need to go anywhere else. And it's quite spacious. You could fit one of the washer dryers if that's what you prefer, or just a washing machine, and put your clothes out to dry in the beautiful Atlantic air.
This is the main room. This is your living room, and what a room it is. Not only open access from your kitchen, so when you're preparing your meals or relaxing in the evening, you can see out over the ocean, but it is just the biggest room in the place with beautiful hardwood floors, real hardwood floors, not the laminate. And of course, you have this view out over the Atlantic Ocean and access to your balcony. This balcony has access from this room, from the guest room, and from the master bedroom. It runs all the way along. It's cozy. It's a really good setup, a really good location. Of course, all the units here have AC, which is a must in the summertime.
Let's talk about the hallway for a minute. I really like the way that they've made it extra wide. There's a lot of space in here and a lot of room on the walls that you could put some decor, a nice print, or even a little welcome table here to throw your keys or whatever when you come in. It's also really nice the way they've done some pot lights with built-in lightings at the top. Let's check out the guest bathroom, called here the social bathroom. This is such a cute bathroom. Starting at, I love these doors where it's not a big full door, it's just a pocket door, nice and easy. And then you have a really well done wallpaper and wall decor in here. It comes like this, which is really neat. It's a place for guests to come, use the washroom, wash up, and there's actually a really cute shower right back here as well. Check it out.
This is the guest bedroom, and it is a very nice size. A lot of times when they build these T2 two-bedroom units, one of the two bedrooms gets compromised in size, but they have not here. With this layout, the guest bedroom is quite a nice size. It has an air conditioning unit all to itself, a nice big double closet, and lots of room for a bed. It has over-the-window lighting here, and of course the main thing, it has this incredible exit and entrance to the balcony. Just look at this view.
Okay, this is a girl's dream closet. You walk into the master bedroom and they have this beautiful lighting up here. You can just imagine one of those little seats right here where you can put your stuff as you're getting ready, and 3 large double closets with drawers inside. It's just beautiful and it all closes up so neatly. This is how a woman would design a closet. This is a nice way to start the master bedroom. Come on, let's look at the rest of it. So here we are in the master bedroom. Nice high ceilings, of course, an AC for this room as well. You can put a TV up here or just cover it with a beautiful piece of art. But the real piece of art in the master bedroom is the view. You see the ocean, you see Cabo Geral, you see Camera de Lobos. It is stunning. It looks like a photo. And just like the guest room, this also has access to the balcony. I have a feeling that this would be open most of the time for in and out to the balcony.
Whoa.
Now this sunny and warm, and out here it's just gorgeous. Behind.
And here we have the master bathroom. It is a huge bathroom, all done in white marble. It is absolutely beautiful, clean and stunning and modern. 2 separate sinks, his and her sinks, his and his sinks, hers and her sinks. Whoever you are, there is a sink for you. It has a massive walk-in shower, again, all marble tile, very clean, very modern, and so spacious. It's truly luxury. They really did a great job on this ensuite bathroom. It's a little bit windy, but it is beautiful. It's so warm here in the sun, and I just can't get over this view. You have this incredible pool, full-size pool right down along the ocean, an infinity pool. It's very quiet. You can have it to yourself most of the time. They have an incredible amenity area right in center court here, including a little snack bar.
And they also have a gym where you can work out in the morning, and you can also access all the running paths around the area. So that would be really nice for a workout.
One of the things they have besides the infinity pool is this beautiful grassed area. It has picnic tables everywhere to sit at. You can come out here and read a book, have a glass of wine, or just look out over the ocean. They're building a tower here. This is going to be for access from anybody who has a place in Aqua can come out here, take the elevator down, and you have access to the promenade right along the Atlantic to Praia Formosa. They have finished the grounds here exactly like they finished the inside. Attention to detail, beautiful manicure finishings all the way around, from exotic plants, lush greenery. What a relaxing courtyard to be in. We really like this location of Madeira Acqua. It is on Estrada Monumental in the flattest part of Funchal. Lots of running paths, lots of bike paths, and it looks like Miami Boulevard all the way down with the palm trees down the middle. It's a great location. I don't think you have a better location than this with Cabo Jarrao in the background. Just an iconic location here on Madeira.
So Doug, what are your top 3 things you like about this unit or Madeira Acqua in general?
Wow, I think Madeira Acqua is the attention to detail as far as finishes. They are high-end finishes. For this unit, I would say it is this full sun and this incredible view over Praia Formosa and with Cabo Jarrao.
That's only 2.
I love the layout. You have 2 big, beautiful rooms with floor-to-ceiling windows, and everything's just built modern and airy. What about you? What are your top 3 for Madeira Acqua and for this unit?
I think for me, one of the things I love best about this unit, and I think many units in Madeira Acqua, would be you feel a sense of that you're away from the hustle and bustle. Because it faces the ocean, you kind of feel secluded back here, like you're in your own little paradise. So I really like that. I really like the all whiteness of it. I'm not sure that that's for everybody, and you can obviously add color when you decorate, but there's something very serene about the white kitchen, the white rooms, even out here on the balcony, how everything's trimmed in white with the recessed lighting. It's really nice. And I think my third thing that I love about Madeira Acqua in general is the pool. I love an infinity pool, and it's something I know I would use all the time. And I know when we have guests, especially our sons, they love to swim. And I think that the pool is a big draw for me.
I agree with you. Being a luxury build and having this location right down on the ocean, it comes at a premium. But I think it is something that is going to hold its value into the future.
So if you're interested in any units here at Madeira Acqua or anywhere on the island of Madeira, do let us know and we can put you in touch with our realtor.
Our realtor can connect you with units just like this one in this complex and others on the island and in Funchal that are very similar.
This is a style that's being built in Funchal and all over Madeira, and what a great style for your better second half of life. So the question is, Doug, would you buy it?
Would you buy it? Thank you for spending some of your time with us here today. We hope you enjoyed this beautiful T2 2-bedroom apartment tour here right along the coast in Funchal, Madeira, Portugal. If you would like to see more videos of places for sale, places for rent here on the beautiful island of Madeira, please remember to like this video and give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any upcoming videos. We're going to be showing more of these because so many people have asked for it. So we hope you enjoyed this one.
Thank you for spending a little bit of your time with us today. And as always, check back in and
track us down.